you guys? It's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com, and today I'm showing you one of my favorite recipes. Super simple, insanely delicious. It'll make you look like a pro when it comes to putting dinner on the table for your family. My bacon wrapped green bean bundles. Let's do it. So you can probably throw down on the grill, right? You can make a mean main course. But to be honest with you, for me, the sides make the meal, and nothing can take you from backyard zero to backyard hero faster than putting together a nice composed dish. And as much as some people don't like to hear it, that includes vegetables. So we're gonna take vegetables, give them a little spin, and they're gonna be fantastic with these green bean bundles. So here's what you'll need to get started. I've got my pellet smoker over here preheating to about 425 degrees. This will also work on a gas or a charcoal grill. You just need to have 2-zone cooking because we are rendering bacon. You don't want direct heat. So a pellet grill is nice for this because it gives you the drip tray. We also have a pot of water coming up to a boil. We're gonna add some salt to that so we can blanch our green beans. I have 1.5 pounds of green beans with the ends trimmed. I have about 8 slices of bacon, well, 4 slices of bacon cut in half, about 8 pieces of bacon. And then we have to season our green beans. This is a really awesome sweet and savory combination. So I have 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of butter that we're gonna melt, and then a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. It's gonna tie it all together. First up, I'm gonna add a couple generous teaspoons of salt to our boiling water, and then we're gonna pour in our green beans and let those boil for about 7 to 8 minutes. While our green beans are par cooking, I'm gonna put together our seasoning blend. 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a couple good grinds of our black pepper. I like black pepper. And then I'm gonna grate in 2 cloves of garlic. All right, give that a mix. It's gonna make like a paste. But when we add in the green beans, it's gonna coat around the outside of them real nice. Speaking of green beans, I think ours are ready to come out of the water. We don't wanna overcook them here. We just wanna take them to a nice, like, pretty crispy state still, but where they're not overcooked, because we wanna wrap and finish cooking them on the grill and crisp the bacon at the same time. Now you want to drain these and cool them down completely. If you have a big bowl of ice water, you can just submerge them really quickly to bring the temperature down. Lucky for me, it's pretty cold outside. So I'm just gonna let these hang out for a couple minutes, cool off, and then mix them in our brown sugar. Our beans are cool. Put them right into this pan. And then just gently give them a stir. Into this pan. This is a bowl, people. I know what things are. Evenly coated green beans. That means it's time to start wrapping. Now, this recipe will make about 8 to 10 individual bundles, and I think that most people like to take 2. So this recipe will serve 4 if you make 8 bundles. If you want more than that, of course, you can double it. It's pretty easy to multiply.
Or tell people to not be stingy.
Or tell people only take 1 green bean, I guess. I don't know. But people want 2. They want 2. Okay, so we're gonna take a piece of our bacon, have some toothpicks at the ready. You're gonna want probably 7 or 8, maybe 8 to 10. 8 to 10 green beans. Try to get them pretty even into a little bundle. Then you're gonna wrap that with bacon and secure. The bacon in this scenario is not supposed to cover the entire green bean bundle. It is simply there to act as a meat string of sorts. So you get that salty bacon that holds your bundles together.
Bacon bungee cord.
Yeah, like a bacon bungee cord. So the bacon will cook nice and even. It's not too long, it's not overlapping too much. And then the ends of our bundles on the grill get this nice caramelized crispiness with the brown sugar, and they are absolutely insane. One thing that I really try to take into consideration when I'm planning sides, especially for a big meal, like, I don't know, maybe Thanksgiving or something coming up, I really like to think about what can I make in advance so that it's ready to go and I don't have to worry about it when I'm worrying about my big main course, and how long it takes to cook. So these green bean bundles are great because you can actually make them a day or two in advance of your main course and then kind of let that brown sugar soy flavor marinate into these green beans. Just put them on a sheet tray, cover them lightly, and stick them in the fridge. And then these go right onto your grill when whatever your main course is comes off. So you can pull off, say for example, a smoked turkey, increase the heat on your pellet cooker, pop these on, and while your turkey is resting for that last 15, 20, 30 minutes, these green bean bundles can be on, getting nice and hot and crispy and ready to go. All right, green bean bundles are all done. These are gonna go directly on the grill grates of my pellet grill that's preheated to 425 degrees. These take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. We're just about 5 minutes in, gonna give these guys a quick flip. 5 more minutes, another quick turn, and then we should be good to go. We're about 15 minutes in. These bacon wrapped green bean bundles are ready to come off the grill. And they're giving us everything we're looking for. This bacon is nice and mostly rendered. We've got these caramelized crispy edges on our green beans. Now you can serve these guys with the toothpicks in. Just make sure that everybody getting one knows there's a toothpick. If you pull them out, you just have to be super careful so the green bean bundles don't unravel. I usually serve them with the toothpicks in, just a small warning so nobody accidentally eats one. I'm gonna try one. I can already tell you the smell of that like soy, garlic, brown sugar. These are so fun to eat, and they look beautiful on a holiday plate. The texture on those green beans is absolutely perfect because we parboiled them first. They're not crunchy or woody, they're just beautifully tender, crisp. Bacon is salty, you get the sweetness from the brown sugar. When I tell you that sides make a meal, these kind of sides make a meal. They show people that you care, that you put a little bit of extra attention and effort even into the sides, and I think that means something. So if you're gonna do a meal, do it right. Give these bacon green bean bundles a try. If you do, snap a photo, post them online, use the hashtag #HeyGrillHey. That way I can see it and cheer you on your journey to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. See you guys next time.